Alright, we're down here at Dad's house, sitting right here having a little fun with Poco, Rojo,
and 2 scared cows.
and a couple scared to death cows. Sighting in my LWRC AR-15. It is the Ferrari of ARs. But I've got it sighted in pretty good, and we're going to shoot some Tannerite. This first is going to be a 1 pound. That's going to be the first explosion you see. Then I've got 2 of them mixed together in the mixing container for 2 pounds. So first the 1 pound, then the 2 pounds. You got 30 rounds you're going to be shooting.
Tell me when to close my ears. Got Poco on the back, he's helping sight it.
Alright. Poco. Alright, here we go. Cameraman needs her earplugs. Did you lose them down your shirt? Cameraman? Yeah, they're right there in your pocket. So while you're getting your earplugs ready.
I make that camera woman.
Camera woman.
She over there hiding behind me now. I think she's sorry for me to sit here, but she's gonna hide behind me.
Alright. First the 1 pound, then the 2 pound.
Ready?
You ready?
Shot yet.
Here we go. That was the 1 pound. Here goes the 2 pounds. Here goes the 2 pounds. I'd say we got her sighted in pretty good. 3 pounds Tannerite.